Buongiorno, buongiorno, beautiful people, buongiorno, dear Yogi friends. I hope you are all doing great. And today I'm here in this beautiful finca in Tenerife Island. This is a magic place because we are really surrounded by Mother Nature. On my back, you can see the volcano. On Tenerife, there is this beautiful element, volcano, which is called Father Teide, symbolizing the fire. And then on the other side, of course, on my back, there is already water from the swimming pool, but there is also Mr. Atlantic, the ocean. And of course, ocean is symbolizing the water element. So we have fire, we have water, and of course, now I'm sitting on my heels in this beautiful position to ground myself. So to ground yourself, you need the element of earth, planet earth, earth, yes. So we have earth, we have water, we have fire, and then, hey, I'm breathing air. Pranayama is mindful breathing, so the air. And of course, all these elements, earth, water, fire, air, are contained in this beautiful space, which is this beautiful finca hosting us. And yes, from here I want to share you a beautiful flow to welcome the new year. Are you ready? We are going to flow together, we are going to have fun together. So please, let's stay with your breath, stay with your movement, and let's have fun together. Because, yes, because you can. Flow together is nice. Yoga together is nice, is our community. Danila is my name. Let's start standing up in front of your mat. Tadasana, mountain pose. Let's say together, Vulcan pose, okay? Teide. Let's start. I wish you a lot of fun. So standing in front of your mat, let's ground ourselves. Namaste. Find your breath, deep breathing in through the nose, exhaling through your mouth, let it go. Breathing in through your nose, grounding, and let it go through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Now sealing your lips, keep on breathing through your nose and find this flow for the new year, connecting with the beautiful nature, but of course connecting to yourself. And then give yourself a smile if you like, welcoming the new year. And let's start. Inhale, Teide, Vulcan pose, mountain. Exhale, Namaste. Grounding yourself. Inhale, up to the sky, reach out. Exhale, Namaste, in front of your heart, ground yourself. Inhale, elevate your soul up to the sky. The arms are reaching up, up, up to the sky. Exhale, Namaste. Inhale, rise, flow up to the sky. And exhale, let's flow down to Mother Earth. Grounding yourself, humble and kind. Inhale, elongate your spine, halfway lift. Exhale, let's ground with your hands and two-step backward in your downward facing dog. Inhale, lift up your heels. Exhale, bend your knees and ground yourself through your hands and through your heels. One more time. Inhale, elevate your heels up. Exhale, bend your knees. And then enter your tilt of the pelvis and grounding down through your heels, through your hands. Find your breath, and now we'll flow with the elements of water in to the front, plank. Exhale, flow back, downward facing dog. 2 more times like that. Inhale, plank, rounding the upper back, pushing the ground away from you, flow back in downward facing dog. One more time. Inhale. It's also fire here within, in plank, and then flow back in downward facing dog. Let's go further. 2 steps to the front, inhaling, big giant step to the front, halfway lift. Exhale, humble and kind, grounding down. Uttanasana. All the way up, take the Vulcan pose. Exhale, namaste. 2 more times like this. Inhale, Tede, Vulcan. Exhale, ground, humble and kind to Mother Earth. Look forward to the future. Goals. Exhale, 2 steps backward, down facing dog. Grounding yourself through your hands and feet. Plank, fire. Exhale, flow back, water, down facing dog. Inhale, 2 giant step to the front, halfway lift. Exhale, bow to the earth. Inhale, rise up, take the Vulcan pose. Exhale, ground yourself and find the connection. Namaste. Let's go further. Inhale, rise. Exhale, bow to the earth. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, 2 giant step back, down facing dog. This time, heels up, inhale. Exhale, turn your heels over to the right. Come on your fingertips with the left hands. Bend slightly your knees. Find the stretch and the space, which is the one element which is containing all the elements of the nature. Find space in the left side of your body. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, come back into the middle. Inhale again, heels up. Exhale, both heels over to the left. Come on your fingertips on the right side. Push the ground away from you with the left hand. Bend slightly your knees. And then straight legs again. Find space in the right side of your body. Inhale. Pulsating the whole time. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, come back. Let's go with the element of water and fire. So fire in plank. Fire, low push up. Find the earth. And then a little bit of hair and joy. Roll the shoulders up and back. Squeezing in the elbows. And then rise in your first cobra. Inhale. Exhale, down. 2 more times. Energizing the back of your body. And then come up, cobra. Exhale, bow. 1 more time. Inhale, rise. Exhale, down facing dog. Now the right leg goes up to the sky. Inhale. And then bend the knee. Keep on pushing the mat away from you. And then maybe you want to circle a little bit. Your knee is describing a little big circle. And this is water. Keep on grounding through your hands, pushing the mat away from you. And then circle on the other side. And then the right leg straight, square the hips, knee to the chest, and this is fire. Again, right leg up to the sky. And this time, knee to the chest and push the ground away from you, round the upper back, and the right foot is coming in the middle of your mat, in between your thumbs. Inhale here. Exhale. Left foot is coming to the front. Halfway lift. Bow to the earth, exhaling. Rise up. Take the Vulcan pose. Exhale. Namaste. Grounding yourself, connecting to yourself. Inhale, rise. Take the Vulcan pose. Exhale, bow to the earth. Inhale, halfway lift, elongate your spine, look forward, your goals for the new year. Exhale, 2-step back, down facing dog. The left leg going up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, bend the knee. And now from here, just push in the same way the mat away from you with your hands. Straight your arms. And then keep on circling. And your knee, the left, is describing a big circle. Water here. Yummy, yummy for your hips. Opening your hips. And do on the other side. Keep on breathing. Don't forget, breath is air. Breath is life. And then from here, straight the leg. Square the hips. Knee to the chest, fire here, rounding the upper back. Again, the left leg goes back up to the sky, and this time step to the front. Lunge, inhale, look forward. Exhale, the right foot is coming to the front, halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, bow to the earth. Inhale, find the Vulcan pose today, which is the mountain. Take the Vulcan. Exhale, connect to yourself. Namaste. Stay for one more breath here. Inhale. And observe, how do you feel after this small warm-up? Do you feel the energy? Yes. Inhale, rise. Take the exhale, bow. This time, let's go up in Utkatasana, chair pose. Inhale. And exhale, bow to the earth. Inhale, rise, and this time the right leg is going up. Exhale, cross the right leg on the left. Hug yourself, the right arm on top. Inhale, let's fly in the new year. Yes, flying warrior. Inhale. And exhale, very slowly. The right foot is going back. So the feet are like in warrior 2. Straight to front leg. The right knee, back knee. Bend, skanda. And in skanda, of course, you can find maybe your ninja skanda, just observing your goals for the new year. And now, reverse the warrior. Inhaling, finding the space in the left side of your body. And exhale. Let's go in our side ankle preparation. Right arm is circling. Inhale. And exhale, the right arm goes up over the other side, over the head. Inhale, open the chest. Squeeze the mat with your feet isometrically to each other. Open the chest more. Inhale. And exhale, right arm is circling. The front leg is straightening. Trikonasana. The super pose for the beginning of the year. Inhale, in Trikonasana, you are stable with your leg. The legs are strong, grounding down, finding love, opening the chest in the direction of this beautiful Teide Vulcan. Open. Maybe you look down. Inhale, elongate your neck, but open the chest to the right. Inhale. And exhale, bend. And back in downward facing dog. Plank pose, ripple forward. with your beautiful spine, water, and then Chaturanga Dandasana, grounding down with fire, and then earth. Ripple with your shoulders up and back, finding your cobra. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. The left leg now is going up to the sky. Inhale. And exhale, a big step to the front. Inhale, rise, warrior one. And exhale, come back. Bow to the earth. Utkatasana. Up. The left leg now is going up. Inhale, rise. Exhale, the left leg cross the right. The left arm on top. Hug yourself. And then from here, find the center. Find the fire in yourself. And flying warrior here. Ooh. Setting your goal again here. Opening the hips, the left side. And then bend the right knee and flow back with the feet in warrior two. And then straight the front leg, the back knee bend, skanda. Again, another opportunity to set your goals, or maybe you want to stay still. You find your best option for this new year. And then from here, reverse the warrior, finding space in the right side of your body. Bend the right knee, and then side angle preparation. Left arm is going up. With the feet, you squeeze the mat isometrically to each other, strong in your leg, open the chest, and maybe you look to the front foot. Inhale, the left arm is over your hand, reaching forward. Yes, and then keep on moving. The left arm is circling, the right leg is straightening, and then find here the best option for Trikonasana. Again, in Trikonasana, you are strong in your leg. That's the foundation. Squeezing the feet to each other isometrically, finding the strength in your inner thighs. And then you can decide, look to the front. Elongate the neck, the left arm over to your head, reaching forward. Yes. Inhale. You look maybe over to the right foot, but you open the chest over to the left. Open your heart for this new year. New experiences. Inhale and exhale. Bend. And come back. Down facing dog. The right leg goes up to the sky. Inhale. And exhale. Big step to the front. Push down, rise up, warrior one, inhale. Exhale, come to the front of your mat. Giant step to the front, halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, bow. Inhale, rise, mountain or Tede for today, Vulcan pose. Exhale. Very nice. Feel, observe the sensation in your body. Catch your breath again. A little bit of stretch, and we close the session for this new year. Let's go up, Tede, Vulcan. Exhale, bow. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Namaste. Inhale, take the Vulcan, the right knee up. Exhale, cross. The right arms on top. Good. Stay here, and then you go back in what you know already, flying warrior. And then step back. The feet are warrior two, but then you straight the front leg, and you wanna bend the back knee. Good. Go down, go down, go down, and then sit. Adjust yourself. Maybe you are like me, out of the mat, off of the mat, out of the comfort zone. Let's stay. And then from here, you stay here, and you can, of course, grab with the left hand the outer side of your foot. Inhale here, right arms reaching up to the sky. And exhale, bend over to the left side. Inhale. Exhale, the right knee is coming together down, and maybe you go a little bit faster and you reach your foot. Maybe you cross the hands to your foot. Inhale here and exhale, bow to the front leg, the left. Inhale, the right knee is lifting up. Inhale and exhale. Now just place the right knee onto the mat. Turn over to the right. Inhale here, exhale, bow. Inhale, come up and come back. Okay, now you are ready for a nice twist. Hug the right knee with the left arm. Inhale, just reach out to the sky with the crown of your head. Exhale, turn, twist. Inhale here, softening the right shoulders. Nice and tall here. With a smile, maybe you look back to see what you can bring with you from the past here. And then you look to the front and ready for the other side. Let's bring both feet, both heel very close to the buttock. And then from here, support with your hands, come up and reach your downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. And of course, for the new here, what you need, baby, is a jump forward. Can you take the courage to do this? Come on, let's do it together. Bend the knees, your quad will come very close to your belly, and then look forward and jump. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bow. Inhale, rise, Utkatasana. Exhale, mountain or Vulcan pose. Inhale, come up. And Uttanasana, bow to the earth, humble and kind. Utkatasana, and the left knee is coming up. Cross over the right, the left arm is coming on top. Find the strength here, rounding the upper back, and from this strength, you feel how you can flow in your warrior. And this is really a flying warrior. Inhale. Exhale, place the back foot in warrior 2. The feet are in warrior 2. Then turn the back toes a little bit outside. Bend the left knee. Go down, 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 down. You are warm. And then sit. Inhale here. Flex the front foot. Exhale. Reach with the right hand to the outside of the foot. Make tension. Use this beautiful place. The foot and the hands pushing together one from another. Inhale the left arm up. Exhale, expand the left side of your body. Try to keep the sit bones, the left side, grounding down, okay? So you want to really make this banana. We are also in a very nice plans of banana. So making a banana form on the left side. Inhale here and exhale back. Again here. Inhale, the left knee down. Exhale, open. Inhale, stretch out. The left knee is following. Exhale, back. And now, let's go down. From here, inhale, rise. Exhale, maybe you cross the hands on the back of the foot. Exhale, bow. Inhale, rise. Exhale, bow. Inhale, exhale it out. And now lift up again the left knee. And then from here, go for a chaturanga on the back of your mat. Maybe a couple of times in flow. Inhale and exhale it out. Come back The left knee now is ready, it's bent. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hug the left knee with the right arm. Inhale, reaching up to the sky with the crown of your head. And then really nice and tall, let's have our beautiful twist for this new year. Inhale, exhale it out. Inhale and exhale it out, come back. This time we don't need to get back to our mat, just straight both legs. Find a diamond pose, bringing the sole of your feet together, grabbing the ankles. Inhale, elevate the soul up to the sky, finding this joy which belongs to the air element. Air element, it's all about being happy about what you have, not curving about what you don't have. Be happy about your body, about your breath, and honor this body, honor this planet. Inhale and bow forward, humble and kind. And this coming from a yin yoga practice, just releasing the yang, this active, dynamic part of us, because you need both to find healthy lifestyle. Let your head, let your heart melting down to Mother Earth, finding still, finding peace and love for yourself. And then you can stay, of course, in this pose also for 5 or 10 minutes. If you have time, do this. We are going to close this session together from this beautiful place. Now just find a comfortable final position for you, which can be cross legs position or sitting on your heels. Just move the shoulders a couple of times. Just move your head. Rise the arms up to the sky. And exhale, bring your hands maybe crossed, the left directly in contact with your heart, the right on top. Say thank you for yourself, to yourself, for finding this time just for you. Thanks to life, which is happening not to us, but for us. It's happening for us. Life is happening for us. Just keep on mind, also for the new year, this concept, life, as well yoga is happening for you. Take advantage of this. Exactly. That was a sign from the nature. Yes. Because this is true. Everything that I'm sharing with you, it's true. It's not, just fake. It's true. We are true. Our community is true. So, hands in namaste. Thank you very much for being with me in this journey, which is really made of ups and downs. It's not easy, but together with you, I know that I can. Thank you so much. And from this beautiful place, Happy New Year. Love you. Ciao.